Hey guys, welcome. In this video, very shortly and quickly, I will show you how to use WhatsApp on your laptop. It's very easy, same as on PC. So just be sure to, of course, go to the official website. Do not download third-party clients for WhatsApp if they exist. Then just press on this download button. Start download and open. So this will install, as you can see, WhatsApp from Microsoft Store. So let us just download and then let us, of course, log in. Okay, as you can see, WhatsApp is now started. Press on Get Started. And if you're using WhatsApp on your phone, you can easily link your account to PC or laptop by using this QR code. That's something I will do now. Alright, I'm now linking, so scanning the QR code. Okay, now as you can see, I have successfully logged in into WhatsApp on my PC. And you can do the same thing on the laptop, same procedure. Also, if you're not looking to log in with your QR code, maybe you've just started using WhatsApp and you don't have it on your phone, you can also easily log in by your phone number. They will just send you a short, about 6-digit, I think, or 8-digit number that you just need to type into this WhatsApp application on your laptop, and you will be able to easily log in with your password or by the OTP. Guys, enjoy, press like on the video and subscribe. See you in the next one.